you doing today, guys? So today I'm gonna install this in the key right here. So when it's night, it's you can see a light around it. So first you got to remove this cylinder, the key from here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the key in, you're gonna turn it to ACC position, and then you're gonna push this little pin in, and then you just pull it out. Okay, so this will be inside of the lock right here. It's gonna be inside this one. You're gonna turn it to ACC, and this pin on the bottom, you're gonna push it right here. A little hole right here. See if you can see it. It's gonna be this right here, little pin right here. You're gonna push it, and then you just pull it out. So that's the first step. Then you're gonna remove these 4 bolts that's holding the steering column. 1, 2, 3, and that one on this side. 4. You're gonna remove those 4 bolts, drop the steering column down, and then you're gonna put it in. Alright? Now I'll be back. Okay, so I have installed the light. So as I showed you earlier, 4 bolts on the steering column. You drop the steering column down, you put this on, and then you put it back. Then you put it back up. You screw the 4 bolts, and then now it's time for the wiring. So here we are for the wiring. These are the wire. Goes to the switch. Come down. So one red one is for power, and the blue one, which is this one, is for ground. That grounds it right here. And the red one, I make an extension right here. I'm gonna connect this wire to the door light. You know that little light that when you open the door, the lights comes on in the dashboard to let you know that a door is open. Light that come here. So I'm finding this light. So it's the same light that connects to this switch. So find this switch. You're gonna get the power from this, and you're gonna connect it to the same light. So whenever the door is open, any one of the door open, then the light will turn on in the key. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so this is the wire. This one red. Let some focus right here. One red with white is the power from the switch. So I'm gonna splice this wire, plug it back in this right here, in this panel right here. And remember, this is a 1997 Toyota Corolla. It's the same from 92 to 97. The same setup. Alright. So I'm gonna plug it right here in the bottom on the driver's side. Alright. So I'm gonna splice this red wire with the power wire from the switch, which is this switch right here. Alright. I'm gonna splice it into this wire. Plug it in, and it should be working when the door is open. The light right here should be on. When the door is closed, it's closed. So I'm back. So off the camera, I finally decided that I'm gonna connect the 2 wires from this one, from the ignition light. I'm gonna connect it to this right here, which is the dimmer switch, which is this. Alright, so I'm gonna connect these one to it. So it's easy. One left, one right. One to the green, one to the white with green. Okay, the 2 wires from the switch, you're gonna connect to this one and connect it back to the dimmer switch. Alright, here we go. One left, one right to the dimmer switch. Alright, so now when I go in the car and turn the light on, it's on right there. Okay, I can turn it down, up, and I can also turn it down. Okay, alright, so I'll be back to show you the final result. And I'm also going to change this from green to white. I'm going to put the LED inside of it. Alright, see you. Alright, so we're back. So here we are now. Turn the light on. And that should be on now. Yep. That's it. In the night you will see much better. Yep. This. This are the rotor I'm not sure you in the picture. So the brake squeeze on the metal like so, like my finger. So you get low and then this rub when you get low. Because the iron start rub on it when you squeeze and lock so. So now no more meat on the inside, that's iron to iron. So this will have to change.